Hi everybody, coming with another video. The last video I mentioned that there's a hood that is coming. So today is the day that the hood is going to get fitted. We've received this hood, and this is from a company called Armoro. We have one of the quality hood suppliers in the country, so you can probably check their website and all that for understanding more details. What we're going to do today is we're going to replace this original hood with this Armoro hood, and I'm going to just show you how the fitting is done. Probably not the entire thing gets captured because it's just two of us who are going to do this, so it probably may be difficult recording both recording and fitting. So I'll try and capture as much fitting as possible. Today with me I've got Danny Bhai, and Danny Bhai is going to help me with the fitting. So that is
Hi.
Danny Bhai.
Hi.
So excited, Danny Bhai, to fit the hood?
Yes.
Alright, so we're just going to unwrap this and we're going to fit it.
No. Okay.
So what we are going to do now is we are going to remove the LED bar. So Danny Bhai is helping, it is removing the LED bar because this is, we will not be able to slide it through this if you have it, because if you see this, it is touching the hood. So we're going to just remove that first, and then we are going to remove the hood, and then we are going to unwrap the Armoro hood. So now the hood is being taken off. So we are removing the buttons. So Danny Bhai is carefully removing it. Just going to that's the hand of an expert. So we're just ready. We've actually put that LED bar in the car for now. Just remove this. Okay, you can see this.
You have to remove the control.
Achha.
There you go. And this thing.
Okay, we've removed it. Total, anyone? अभी फोन करके रखेंगे। This is how it is being folded. Okay.
No.
I think this needs some cleaning, that way.
Home you have cooling.
Yes. So we are just going to unbox the Armoro hood. So while Danny Bhai is doing that, the car is completely stripped of the earlier hood, and this fellow is also probably looking forward to putting up another hood. So Danny Bhai is our captain. So whenever anybody does any off-roading in Mumbai or Maharashtra, or for that matter anywhere in the country, everybody, for any doubt regarding off-roading or probably going out for off-roading, Danny Bhai is the person who actually helps people. So Okay, we've got something from here. Okay, so this is the installation guide. So this is the installation guide. So we'll keep it there and we'll see what all things are there. Oh, what is that, Danny bhai? What is written on that? Life is outside. Yes. Danny bhai, do you think life is outside?
Yes.
Of course. So we've got something else also. This is the privacy curtain. We'll explain what this is all about. Danny bhai, we'll keep it here. Otherwise, this is a nice looking bag, so I don't want to dirty it. Okay. Remove, pull it out, Danny bhai. So Armoro branding is there. Okay. Superb cover, I must say. Huh? This also shows quality. Let's see how good this would be. Danny bhai, please do the needful. I'll give you the knife. You want knife? Okay. All right. So this is a black hood. How's the quality, Danny bhai?
Good.
Good.
Good quality.
Good quality. So if you are approving, it has to be really good. So let's put up and see how good this is actually. What is that? Oh, that's an Armoro sticker. Huh? Oh, there's an Armoro sticker also that came with it. Okay. If the hood is really good, okay, if I'm convinced about the hood, I will put the sticker up on my car. Okay, Danny bhai, I mean, there are no stickers in the car apart from Team BHP.
Okay.
I only put up stickers that are, that I think it should go on my car. But if the quality of this is good, Armoro is going to go on my Gypsy. All right, so we will keep that here so that it doesn't fly off. Okay, Danny bhai. So from the back, this is how it is. You have to slide it through that. What is it called, Danny bhai? Beading?
Slider.
Slider, okay. So Danny bhai knows all the correct terms. So that's the slider. Just trying to slide it till the end. Okay. Okay. Canvas quality is quite good. Now this is getting slid into the slot. Should I go inside, Danny bhai?
ये आपको पूरा.
So the hood is being put up, so we have to slide it through this. Danny bhai, I think it has come out, Danny bhai. नहीं वापस करना पड़ेगा. नहीं? Is okay? Okay. So
अपन प्रेस करेंगे ना पीछे तो.
हाँ. It'll be okay. Superb. See, already it is taking shape.
उधर टाइट लगाओ. बाहर मत खींचो.
हाँ. Okay.
उसको साइड करो अंदर. अंदर साइड करो.
हाँ ये.
बाहर खींचे. नहीं. अंदर डालो इसको.
This is with a privacy curtain. This is how it looks at the back with the privacy curtain. That was a small and humble effort by Danny bhai and me to showcase how an Armoro hood is being put up on a Gypsy.
a lot of people out there would be looking at changing their OEM hoods into different other hoods. So since we bought one hood, I thought might as well record it for the benefit of others. Hope you've liked the video. If you've liked the video, please encourage us by hitting the like button, and please do consider subscribing our channel if you think you'd like to see more content like this coming from us. Stay safe, guys. Drive safe. Wear your seatbelt always. Cheers. See you in the next one.